Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe down there, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I'm going to do a DIY. Well, my last video was just basically an introductory video, and this is my second video. But as you can see, I'm not as nervous as I was the last time, and I thank God for that. At least I am not nervous. The last time I was so nervous. So today, being my second video, I want to show you a DIY of how to make a sunburst mirror decor, and it's just a wall hanging basically that has a mirror. You're going to see how it's going to be done, and I hope you're going to enjoy. Now, before we do that, kindly subscribe down there and hit the notification button. Don't forget to do that. It will be so much appreciated. Guys, I'll go straight to what you're going to need to make this DIY. So first, you're going to need a mirror. I went for this small one because I saw it fit for me, or I loved a small one. Yes, so this one was 40 bob, I think. Yes, it was 40 bob. You can find it at 50 bob in any supermarket or just any beauty shop. Anywhere you can just find it. So this one is what you're going to need. The next one is a carton, or just a paper that is hard enough, because you're going to need to stick the mirror to the carton, and you're going to need two. So you'll need to get a carton that is big enough, and then you're going to need bamboo sticks, or you can call them skewers. Bamboo sticks you'll find in the supermarket. You'll just ask for bamboo sticks. Yes, these ones. So I went for long ones and also went for smaller ones. I have them mixed up. I think it was 75 bob if I'm not wrong. So yeah, so these small ones and the big ones. And then also, guys, you're going to need spray paint. So I went for black myself because I wanted the sunburst mirror decor to be black. You're going to go for this glue gun. I think I bought it at 1600 2 years ago if I'm not wrong. I hope the price is still the same. Yes, so I think that's basically what you'll need to make this beautiful wall hanging. And thank you. Done with the bigger ones, I'm going to go for the smaller ones. Right. Now you'll need to spray paint this if you want it more beautiful. So what you're going to do, you look for a sellotape or just something that you can use to cover up the mirror, and then you'll just go outside and spray paint. So guys, as you can see, I've covered the mirror and I'm going to spray paint the skewers or the bamboo sticks. So remember guys that I told you that you should make 2 circles like this. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to glue here so that you pin it at the back. So guys, for you to hang on the wall, I used a rope like this. You see this rope right here, I cut out just a small rope and then used a glue gun to pin it down to. So that's the final look guys. Thank you for watching until the end. Thank you, and thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. And hit the notification button so that every time I upload videos, you're going to get another one. So until next time, thank you and stay blessed.